OnePlus took advantage of the CES 2020 and released its OnePlus Concept One. This phone comes with a McLaren edition. So the specialty about this phone is its invisible camera at the back. I mean, it comes with a rare invisible camera. So let's look onto it. My name is Santosh, you're watching Smart Tech. Okay, let's start about the specifications of this phone. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. This mobile is leather orange color. It's very good and cute. This mobile comes with 4085 mAh battery which may last up to 2.5 days. And here it comes with 30-watt fast charging and Type-C port cable. This mobile looks amazing and great. It even comes with 90Hz refresh rate which may make the mobile run fast, and also a 6.67-inch display like the OnePlus 7T. It comes with an HD resolution 1440 x 3120. So this mobile almost looks like the OnePlus 7T Pro, but only one thing that the camera is invisible. So all company try to make the invisible camera in the front, but OnePlus has done something new. So here it also comes with a curved edge display, and you get almost all specifications same like OnePlus 7T. Like the camera comes with 48 megapixel. And what else we need for this mobile? This is the OnePlus Concept One, and how the OnePlus Concept 2 might look. We are waiting for it. If you end up liking this video, do subscribe to our channel, turn the notifications on, and press the like button to get more further updates. So signing up as Santosh from Smart Tech. Bye.